Hello guys, I'm right here outside our balcony, so I'm starting to rearrange my plants in this area because I have so much plants like they don't have room to grow. But anyway, I'm just rearranging, so we'll see how it's gonna turn out after I rearrange these plants. I have a lot of succulent plants. I don't have flowers, but I'm thinking to buy a flowers to have a little colors in this patio or balcony. So I still have a lot of things to do through all the old stuff. These money plants, I think these money plants, it's growing out of control. Oh, it's windy, hot and windy. So these are my plantitas. That one is a little crooked, but I'm gonna fix that later. So after this, I'm gonna show you guys the result. See, these succulent, they're growing out of control, but there's a lot of mosquitoes. See? Oh gosh, I'm gonna run away because they started biting me. So ito na guys yung aking paglilinis dito sa aking mga tanim. 70% I think it's done. So pero damo pa ko himuon guys. Ayan yung aking maliit na garden. Malinis na or tinlo na. And then sa may hagdanan, I put some plants. Tapos yan yung malaki na planters box, ayusin ko yan para maganda naman plantawon. Sa diri nga nga banda, dami kong mga guys, mga abobot. Ayan, so at least 70% na tinluan ko. So magtanim ako ng mga bulaklak naman para may color naman yung akin halaman, hindi na lang lahat green. Okay, bye for now.